Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at area conversion. So this is another area or measurement conversion, but it's area as opposed to linear, which means it involves all of the space inside the shape. Perimeter was talking about the length around the shape. Area is all the space on the inside of a shape. But we need to know how to convert kilometres squared to hectares. Now we know that a kilometre has got 1,000 metres in it. So if we need to convert from kilometres to metres squared all the way here, we've actually got to times that number by 1,000 times 1,000, which you end up with 1,000,000, which can make for a very big jump. So what we've done instead is there is a unit of measure called a hectare. And a hectare is in between. Most housing blocks are measured in hectares. And to go from kilometres squared to hectares, we only have to times by 100 because it is a length of measure that is 10 metres by 10 metres. When we're going from hectare to metres squared, we have to do the rest. So we've got 10,000 metres squared in a hectare. When we go from metres squared to centimetres squared, we have to go back to our original calculations. We know that there's 100 centimetres in a metre, but this is a square. So that means there's 100 centimetres that way and 100 centimetres that way, which means that we need to times that by 10,000 too, because 1,000 times 1,000 equals 10,000. Lucky last, from centimetres to millimetres, we have to times that number by 100, because we know that there are 10 millimetres that way and 10 millimetres that way. When we're converting back, we do the opposite. So we divide by 100, we divide our number by 10,000, we divide our number by 10,000, and then finally we divide by 100. Just remember that when we're looking at area conversion, it is the space on the inside of a shape. So we need to include all of the measurements that would be up and down and across.